a budding partnership. China and Mexico's growing ties. This relationship is not just a fleeting moment in international diplomacy. It is a carefully crafted alliance that has been years in the making. Both nations have recognized the mutual benefits that can be reaped from such a partnership. China and Mexico are forging a new path together. This path is paved with shared economic interests, cultural exchanges, and a vision for a more interconnected world. The bustling ports symbolize the lifeline of this partnership, where goods and services flow seamlessly between the two nations. Their relationship is flourishing, growing stronger each year. The agreements signed in modern offices are more than just pieces of paper. They are commitments to a shared future. These agreements cover a wide range of sectors, from technology and manufacturing to agriculture and education. Trade is booming, with billions of dollars flowing between them. The busy container terminals are a testament to the economic vitality of this partnership. Each container loaded onto a ship represents jobs, growth, and prosperity for both nations. Chinese companies are investing heavily in Mexico, recognizing its potential. These investments are not just financial, they are also investments in people, technology, and infrastructure. Chinese executives visiting Mexican factories symbolize a transfer of knowledge and expertise that benefits both sides. This partnership is reshaping the global landscape. The Global Trade Routes Map shows how interconnected our world has become, and how the China-Mexico partnership is a crucial part of this new global order. International business meetings are now incomplete without discussions on this burgeoning alliance. It's a testament to the changing dynamics of international relations. World leaders at summits and international relations conferences are taking note of this partnership, understanding that it represents a shift in global power dynamics. This is not just about economics, it's about a new geopolitical reality. For Mexico, this presents a unique opportunity. Mexican factory workers and farmers are at the forefront of this change, benefiting from new markets and technologies. This partnership allows Mexico to leverage its strengths and diversify its economic activities. It allows them to diversify their economic partnerships. The diverse group of business people in meetings and multinational partnership signing ceremonies highlight the inclusivity and broad scope of this alliance. It's not just about trade, it's about building a resilient and diversified economy. It reduces their reliance on the United States. The trade map showing Mexico's export destinations illustrates how this partnership is opening new avenues for Mexican products. The Mexican flag, alongside various international flags, symbolizes a more balanced and diversified economic strategy. For China, it's a chance to expand its global influence. The Chinese flag with global landmarks signifies China's growing presence on the world stage. Chinese executives in international meetings are not just negotiating deals, they are shaping the future of global trade and diplomacy. It secures access to vital resources and markets. Industrial resources being extracted and international market scenes show the tangible benefits of this partnership. For China, securing access to these resources and markets is crucial for sustaining its economic growth and development. The future looks bright for this burgeoning partnership. Optimistic business people celebrating and futuristic city skylines with Chinese and Mexican flags represent the potential and promise of this alliance. It's a vision of a future where both nations thrive together. It's a win-win situation for both countries. The handshake between Chinese and Mexican business people and collaborative team meetings in an office setting encapsulate the spirit of this partnership. It's a win-win situation where both nations stand to gain immensely from their cooperation. The Dragon's Reach, China's Belt and Road Initiative, extends to Mexico. This ambitious project, often referred to as the 21st Century Silk Road, is reshaping global trade routes and economic landscapes. China's Belt and Road Initiative is a game changer. It's not just about building infrastructure. It's about creating a new era of global economic cooperation and connectivity. It's a massive infrastructure project spanning continents and oceans. From Asia to Europe, and now reaching the Americas, the initiative is transforming the way countries interact and trade with each other. It aims to connect China to the world through a network of roads, railways, and ports. This extensive network facilitates smoother and faster movement of goods, services, and people, fostering economic growth and development. This initiative has reached Mexico's shores. Mexico, with its rich history and vibrant economy, is now a pivotal part of this global project. It's opening up new avenues for cooperation and development. The agreements signed between Chinese and Mexican officials mark the beginning of a new chapter in bilateral relations. Mexico, with its strategic location, plays a crucial role. Positioned as a bridge between North and South America, Mexico is uniquely placed to benefit from increased trade and investment. It serves as a gateway to the United States. This proximity to one of the world's largest markets makes Mexico an even more attractive partner for China. This makes it an attractive partner for China. The collaboration between the two nations is expected to bring mutual benefits, enhancing trade, investment, and cultural exchange. The Belt and Road Initiative promises significant investments in Mexican infrastructure. This includes upgrading ports, building new railways, and improving energy infrastructure. These projects are not just about construction, they are about laying the foundation for future growth and prosperity. These projects will boost Mexico's economy and create jobs. The influx of investment and the development of new infrastructure will stimulate local economies, providing new opportunities for businesses and workers alike. It's a testament to China's long-term vision and commitment to global connectivity. By extending the Belt and Road Initiative to Mexico, China is not only strengthening its own economic position, but also contributing to the global economy, fostering a more interconnected and prosperous world. Eyes on North America, China's strategic economic play. China's interest in Mexico goes beyond just trade. It's a strategic move to gain a foothold in North America. The United States is Mexico's largest trading partner. However, China sees an opportunity to change that. By investing heavily in Mexico, China can circumvent U.S. trade barriers. This strategy gives Chinese companies access to the vast North American market. It allows them to bypass potential tariffs and restrictions. Mexico becomes a manufacturing hub for Chinese goods. These goods can then be easily distributed throughout North America. This strategic positioning gives China a significant advantage in the global marketplace. Section 4. Aligning interests. Political and diplomatic drivers of Sino-Mexican cooperation. The economic partnership between China and Mexico is strengthened by shared political interests. Both nations have recognized the mutual benefits of aligning their political and economic strategies. This partnership is not just about trade, it's about a shared vision for the future. Both countries advocate for multilateralism and free trade. They believe that a globalized economy can bring prosperity to all nations involved. By promoting these principles, China and Mexico aim to create a more interconnected and cooperative international community. They are critical of protectionist policies. Protectionism, they argue, stifles economic growth and innovation. By standing against such policies, China and Mexico are positioning themselves as leaders in the fight for a more open and fair global market. This convergence of views has brought them closer on the global stage. Their unified stance on key issues has allowed them to collaborate more effectively in international forums, strengthening their influence and ability to drive global policy changes. China sees Mexico as a key partner in Latin America. Mexico's strategic location and growing economy make it an attractive ally for China's expanding global initiatives. This region is becoming increasingly important for China's global ambitions. The Belt and Road Initiative, for instance, has seen significant investments in Latin America, with Mexico playing a pivotal role in these developments. Mexico, in turn, seeks to diversify its international relations. By engaging with China, Mexico is not only opening new economic avenues, but also gaining a powerful ally in the global arena. It wants to reduce its dependence on the United States. Historically, Mexico has had strong economic ties with the U.S., but recent geopolitical shifts have prompted Mexico to look for new partners to ensure its economic stability and growth. This alignment of interests has led to closer diplomatic ties. The frequent high-level visits and the signing of numerous bilateral agreements are a testament to the growing trust and cooperation between the two nations. It has paved the way for increased cooperation in various fields. From infrastructure projects to cultural exchanges, the partnership between China and Mexico is expanding, promising a future of shared prosperity and mutual growth. Section 5. Building the future together. Key Chinese investments in Mexico. Chinese companies are investing billions of dollars in Mexico. These investments span various sectors, from manufacturing to energy. One notable example is the automotive industry. Chinese car manufacturers have set up assembly plants in Mexico. These plants produce cars for the Mexican market and for export to the United States. Another key area of investment is renewable energy. Chinese companies are investing heavily in solar and wind energy projects. Mexico has abundant renewable energy resources. These investments are helping Mexico transition to a greener economy. These projects are creating jobs and boosting local economies. Section 6. Mexico's moment. How Chinese investments are transforming the Mexican economy. Chinese investments are having a transformative impact on the Mexican economy. They are creating much-needed jobs and boosting economic growth. These investments are particularly significant in infrastructure development. China is helping Mexico modernize its ports, roads, and railways. These infrastructure projects are essential for Mexico's long-term growth. They will facilitate trade, reduce transportation costs, and attract foreign investment. Furthermore, Chinese investments are helping to bridge the development gap between different regions of Mexico. This is contributing to a more balanced and equitable economy.